So I'm going to make some really simple burgers today with beef. If you want, you can use a kind of more fatty type of ground beef, which I'm using. I'm using some ground beef, but a little bit of fat in there is good. You know, you maybe a kind of 75 or 80-20, something like that. A little bit of fat I always find good. Extra lean, not so good, but that's up to you. These are fantastic. They're whoppers. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So nice and easy, these ones. So I've got 1 kg of ground or minced beef there. That's 2.2 pounds. Half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, 1 cup of onion cut really small, a teaspoon each of salt and pepper, and 2 teaspoons of chili powder and cumin powder. Now, if you want, you could be adding some pork to that, or a different cut of meat, maybe lamb if you wanted. I'm just going pure beef, and the spices that I'm using, again, you can change to whatever you like. Very simply, that's all gonna go into a bowl. You can see I've got a sexy glove on. We're gonna mash it up. So mixing bowl, salt and pepper, cumin and chili powder, half a cup breadcrumbs, 1 cup onion, cut nice and small, 1 egg. If you want, get some chopped parsley in there, or change the spices to whatever you want. I think this is a nice little combo. Some allspice or pimento in there is quite good. You can get some garlic powder in there, ginger powder in there. Take it in any direction that you want. I'm going to squeeze the life out of this for about 3 minutes, and then this is done. Okay, so you can see that I've made 4 burgers from that. You can make a load more. These are really quite big. We started off with a kg, so they're 250 grams each, or maybe half a pound each roughly. But a nice big, fat and thick. You can make them much smaller. In fact, if you wanted, make them into some little meatballs, get them into some tomato sauce and have some spaghetti. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so I've got a skillet here with some oil, which I'm just going to rub around. There's not much oil in there at all. Just a bit of tissue in my hand. Lovely. Then we're going to take our beauties and we're going to get them in. Now, you don't want to cook these too high, because you're going to burn the outside and have nothing but red raw meat in the center. Now, if you like that, then that's great. So I'm below medium, and I'm going to go, I don't know, maybe about 10 minutes, I think. 5 minutes aside. I'm going to be flipping them quite often, but of course, cook them to how you want. Some people like a nice kind of redness in there, rareness. Some people like them well done. I'll be flipping and flipping. So of course you can be cooking these on a barbecue if you want. Now I'm going to flip them a lot, and I'm not going to be pressing them. When I press it, or if you press it, you're just going to push all the juices out of it. So, and right near the end, depending on how they're looking, I'm going to turn the heat up really high just to give them a little extra boost. But that's it, cook them how you want. Lovely. And there you go, stacked on top of each other, 4 absolute beauties. Cook them how you want. If you want a bit of rawness inside, that's up to you. I like them not so raw, fairly well done. The kids eat them, you see. But yeah, that's it. Beautiful, nice and easy. Hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.